In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to create a calendar in Excel using templates. To begin, you'll want to open Microsoft Excel on your computer. If you're using Windows, you'll likely find it in your Start menu under Microsoft Office, while Mac users can locate it in their Applications folder. Once Excel is open, head over to the File tab located in the top left corner of your screen. Clicking this will present you with a drop-down menu. Here, you'll find the option labeled New. Go ahead and click on it. This new tab is your gateway to a world of templates, offering a quick start to various projects, including creating a calendar. On the new page that appears, you'll see a search bar in the upper part of the window. This is where you can search for specific types of templates among the multitudes Excel offers. Click into the search bar and type in the keyword calendar. Press enter on your keyboard and give it a moment for the search results to appear. You will now be greeted with a wide array of calendar templates. Excel is equipped with a multitude of designs and layouts, from simple edited monthly grids to more intricate yearly planners. Take your time reviewing each available template. You can even click on them for a more detailed preview. This way you can ensure that the format and style suit your needs. Once you've found the calendar template you like, click on it to select it. A dialog box will appear giving you the option to create the calendar. By clicking Create, Excel will automatically download and open the template for you in a new spreadsheet. You are now free to customize this calendar to your preference. You can modify elements such as the color scheme, add events, or adjust fonts to make this calendar uniquely yours. Papercraft enthusiasts, this is where your creativity can really take flight. Let's say you decide on a monthly calendar template. You could go ahead and input specific plans or reminders for each day. If the calendar's layout allows, consider including color codes for easier readability, such as using different shades for personal events, work deadlines, or birthdays. Excel makes it simple to adjust formats. Just right-click on the cells to change their background color or font settings. After personalizing your calendar, remember to save your work. Simply navigate to the File menu again and select Save As if you want to name it specifically, and choose its location. For regular updates, you can always save it directly by clicking the Save icon, and that's it. You've successfully created a calendar using Excel templates. Feel free to experiment with other templates and make it as detailed or as straightforward as you like.